In 3, 2, 1, power up!
Let's cheer these robots on during autonomous. 2980 going for the switch and falling short. 4915 of the Blue Alliance gets control of the switch, and so those points begin building up. They have two during autonomous, the Blue Alliance with 2 power cubes on their switch. Whidbey Island throwing a power cube onto the red switch, so now both switches are beginning to add up points. Nobody yet having anything with the scale. The scale is still in its neutral position as we move down to a minute and a half. Both alliances in charge of their scale. Several teams here. The Red Alliance going to pick up cubes, struggling with them a bit. The Blue Alliance, here we have Team 360 headed over here with a cube up into the scale, and that's going to make a big difference because that's going to tip the scale for the Blue Alliance. So their points are going to start adding up even more quickly. Whidbey going to counteract that. 4915, Spartronics, though, one step ahead of them. The Blue Alliance now, if 360 is successful, they will have a third, and with 4915, they're dropping it in, but they clothesline themselves on the platform, the scale, and drop the cube back out of the way. 3268 feeding some cubes in, so the Blue Alliance has played their levitate. The Red Alliance with 2 power cubes back in the vault on their levitate. We're going into the last 30 seconds of the match. There are 8 seconds left on the boost for the Blue Alliance, and so their points are really adding up there. That boost is over. And by the way, the yellow dot above the score for the Blue Alliance indicates that during autonomous, they gained control of their switch and all 3 robots moved across. That gives them an additional ranking point in addition to the ranking points they may win. We're going to look and see how the refs score the end game and if there are any fouls, and we'll be back with a final score in just a moment.
To become true citizens of the cosmos, we have to do something that physics says is impossible. We have to travel faster than a beam of light. Than a beam of light. Than a beam of light.
And the final score, the winner goes to the Blue Alliance with a score of 343. Both teams earned 65 points in the end game, so it came down to ownership of the scale and switch. 3 ranking points for the Blue Alliance.